In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create a favicon for your website, or basically I'm going to be showing you how to add a favicon to your website. Now, this video won't be covering how to design the favicon, but basically just to show you how to add it to your website. Now, what's a favicon? Now, you can see here this Twitter site. You can see the Twitter's logo showing at the tab here. This is what you call favicons. When you open the website, you will see the logo of the company at the tab close to the name of the site. So basically, what are favicons? Favicons are logos of a website that shows at the browser when the website is being opened or accessed. Now, if you want to get a favicon, it's very simple. All you need to do is to resize the logo of the company. If you are the designer of the logo, fine and easy. But if you're not the designer, you might need to resize the logo. Now, the minimum size for the favicon is 512 by 512 pixel. And the basic thing I want you to understand is it has to be a square, that is, all sides has to be equal. So even if it's more than 512, even if it's 1000 pixel by 1000 pixel, it's still fine. But as long as it's not lesser than 512 by 512 and you're getting a square, that is, all sides are equal, then you're fine. Now, without wasting much time, we'll go straight to appearance, then click on customize. When you click on customize, it takes you to the customize page. I've opened it down here to save more time. So when you on your customize page, you click on site identity. So you can see here you have your site title and your tagline. So remember, initially when we're installing WordPress, we actually imputed all these data then. So that means you can still even change it even after you've installed your WordPress. Then you scroll down. And you see here site icon, which is the favicon. You can see site icons are what you see in browser tabs, bookmarks, bars, and within the WordPress mobile app. Upload one here. So you can see that it's at least, you can see what I told you, site icons should be square and at least 512 by 512. So that means it can be more, but this is the list that is acceptable, so that you can have something clear and visible. So you click select image. So you can get your image from wherever you saved it and drag it in there, and it loads your image. You can see here that the image I loaded is 1200 pixel by 1200 pixel. Then you can give it a name that you like, then you click select. So now it's telling me that do I want to crop it. That is, I can adjust the size to whichever that suits me. I can make it, look much more but it is to try and help me maintain the square. You can see that. So that's it. So you click, when you're done, you click crop image. So you can see it. You can see that it's showing up here already. You can see the icon here. You can see the favicon. So that's it. So when you're done, you click publish. Okay, so it's done publishing. It's now done publishing. So when you're done, you can go ahead and check your website to confirm if the favicon has really been changed.